Hello, my name is Alberto Molina. This is Jose Velasquez. He will be playing the part of my prospect in today's presentation. I'm going to be playing the part of a salesman at Microsoft at the Microsoft Corporation, and he's going to be playing the part of a database manager at a new law firm. I'm going to be using for handling objections. I'm going to be using the demonstration handling method, and the alternative product handling method. The demonstration method consists of using a demonstration of the product, a small sample of it, to ease the concerns that the prospect may have. The alternate product would be showing a different product than the one you were showing at first, to try to show different type of features, different prices, something that would be more according to the needs of the prospect. For closing strategy, I'm going to be using the choice method. This method consists of presenting the prospect a choice between two products or more, and assuming that he's going to accept the sale, and giving him that urge of having to, okay, maybe choose one or the other. No choice of backing down. So without further ado, let's begin with the presentation. Hi, you're Jose, right?
Yeah, Alberto.
Yes,
Nice
yes.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You mentioned you're from Williamson and Gilmore.
Yeah, I flew back from there today.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I heard their new law firm.
Yeah, we are just starting and we are looking forward to handle new business.
Oh, that's great. That's great. That accent is interesting. Where are you from?
I'm from Venezuela.
Oh, no kidding. That's great. Me too.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Which part are you from?
I'm from an island called Margarita. I was born and raised there.
Oh, really? Dude, me too.
Oh, that's nice.
That's amazing. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
that's a coincidence.
Yeah, the small world, man. Okay. So, what do you want? What are the needs your company has right now?
Well, as I mentioned, we're trying to find a package that basically allows to handle every file that we have in the company,
Okay.
network, communication within the company. We want something to create a basis for communications within the company and with clients.
Okay, that would I can certainly help you with that. What we offer several different packages that could help you with all of that, with all those requirements. If you would like me to start going over the one of the packages, you might be interested. One of the features of our systems.
Yeah, let's go ahead and start the presentation.
All right. So the main one of the of our biggest features in the company is the reliability of the Windows system, of how good they are, how useful they are, how they work well with pretty much every machine, how we can use them essentially everywhere. Since you mentioned you were more interested in the system for the database, I'm not gonna offer you the Office package, something that would be just for many different computers and offices. I'm going to offer you something that's more towards the database parts of our packages, which includes several servers to store all of your information, and that would allow you to communicate without a problem with the company. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in?
Yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking for.
No, that's great. Then maybe wanna close the deal already? Wanna get down to it?
Well, actually, I have a question about what you were mentioning, that database package. I would like to know what's the range of prices.
Okay. The range of prices would depend on the requirements of the company. So let's say you guys are usually with smaller scale companies, the ones that are usually beginning, just getting started. The price range can go from up to $7,000 to $10,000 perhaps.
Okay, yeah, that sounds something that we can work on.
That's good. So would you like to order to make an order to get to close the deal?
Well, I'm quite not convinced yet. Can you go over more features of your package?
Okay. The next feature, the one of the most one of the also one another of the features of working with Microsoft is that accessibility, that we're everywhere. If you have wherever you have your company, wherever the you may need our assistance, we always have offices nearby that can assist you. That can send you a technician, that can send parts, that can offer help, even if it is online, even if it's in person, something physical. We can be there. We can help. That's one of the good things of our systems too. They always have a connection to the to our company, to our headquarters, and they can always bring you good assistance. Another thing is, sometimes it may be a bit difficult to use, but we can also provide with training for all the different systems. Any questions you might have against that?
Yeah, I have a question, kind of objection about this. Um, I consider myself more like an Apple guy, and after we ran a series of questionnaires in the company, we found that most of our employees feel better and know how to work better in Apple software. So I don't know if this will be too complex for them to use.
Okay, yeah, that's a perfectly understandable question. Actually, a lot of our newer clients have that same exact concern. But if you don't mind me showing you a small demonstration of how we could use a system that has already some Apple formatting on it, and how we can use it with Microsoft systems in a simple way.
Yeah, I'd love to see a demo. It's
Okay.
fine.
So here you would see inside of the screen how we can use already this all of these Apple formatted files and the database, and how we can turn it quickly into a into a Microsoft formatting. So it's really simple. You just have to use this program here and change it all and change all the
Okay.
all of the files to this formatting.
And it will remain intuitive, right? Like,
Yeah, yeah. It will, this is what you see here is what you would see if you were working with it at your company right now.
okay.
All of your workers will be able to just touch here, touch there, be done with it.
Okay, yeah, that sounds pretty good. I think that's a good demonstration of what I was looking for.
Oh, that's great. So if you don't mind me going over what we've discussed so far,
Okay.
I mentioned about how the quality of our products. I mentioned how we have a very varied very varied array of services we can provide, of products we can provide. You were a bit concerned about the price. I told you about how we can offer different packages that may range in that may be better located into your price range.
Yes.
Then we talked about the accessibility of working with us, how we sorry, how we how we can provide assistance and parts and delivery very rapidly, very close, very hands-on, and how the usefulness of the Microsoft system, how easy it is to adapt to other systems like Apple in your case, which your workers are mostly used to, how they can switch really easily without much concern, and how we can even provide it, even if it is taking a bit of work to get them used to, we can provide training and help with those kind of matter.
Okay.
So after reviewing all of that, I would like to present you two opportunities, two different packages to install our entirely full package, which could be a bit more pricey, or our but provides all of the different facilities, the easiness, all of the services, or our slightly lesser package, which is the one that would be a bit cheaper. It would perhaps it would be easier for a newer company to accept, and it offers essentially all of the same benefits, only to a slightly smaller scale. So I would like to know which one are you interested in.
Hmm. I think after everything that I listened today, I might go with the full package, just to make sure we get all the coverage that we need in case we grow bigger, and we can do that. Yeah.
All right, that's great to know. Well, in that case, I'll bring over the paperwork and we can close the deal.
Perfect. Thank
Thank you
you.
very much for your time.